RainFire Restoration helps you recover from the accidents of everyday living. As a homeowner or property manager, you're seldom prepared when disaster strikes. We recently had a home that caught on fire that we helped the owner rebuild and repair. We tore down about half of the home, which meant we had the opportunity to rebuild the home in a different manner. And the homeowner wanted to have an open concept type home. So working with the designer, we opened up the main floor and we added a bedroom on the second floor. Once complete, the homeowner decided to sell it. We anticipate there was about an extra $50,000 in equity in the home. At RainFire Restoration, we repair damage caused by water, mold, fire, smoke, methamphetamine to help restore your home to new condition. RainFire Restoration, restoring your future.